Which expression is a factor of 21x squared plus 13x minus 20? This is a quadratic, and these expressions, each one of these expressions is one factor of the quadratic. One of these. There are 3 wrong, and it's asking which one is correct. There are 2 for each, but which one of these are correct? The best way to do this is to graph it out. When in doubt, graph it out. Let's graph our first quadratic. So I'm going to choose Home, New Document, Save, No. I'm going to choose a graph, and it's 21x squared plus 13x minus 20. Press enter, and there's our graph. Now for this to work correctly, we'll have our parabola, and our solutions are here and here. Well, these are lines, so if this is actually a solution of this parabola, then the line will go through the points. We'll see that the point of the parabola itself and the linear function coincides at a solution point, or a 0. So let's see it. Let's graph. Let's choose tab. My next function is going to be 3x minus 4. I'm going to graph it. Enter. And you see it's way outside here. It's outside. Here's our solution, but it's outside, so we know this one is incorrect. So I'm going to choose tab, and I'm going to up arrow, and I'm going to edit this. This time it's going to be 7x minus 5. I'll press enter. And looky there. That one does go through there. See how they intersect at the 0 location? So that looks like a good choice. Okay. I'm going to press tab and check the other ones. Arrow up. Delete that out. I'm going to go 7x plus 4. And enter. And this one is in between the 2 solutions, so we know it's a bad choice. It's not a solution to this graph. It's not a solution as a factor. And our last one to check is 3x plus 5. So tab, up arrow, 3x plus 5. Press enter. And you can see that it doesn't cross at the 0 mark. It's off just a little bit by half or so. So we know it's not a solution either. So our actual solution is B. That is a factor. 7x minus 5 is an actual factor of 21x squared plus 13x minus 20.